In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change what shows up when you do the stamp album page report. And by that, I'm talking about, well, in most cases, you're going to use it by right mouse clicking. So for example, United States Collection Report using album page report. And let me just preview this. And so it's going to show image, description. I think you got date issued, color, and perforation. And let's say we want to change what information shows on each label. The way to do that is under Reports. You're going to select Edit Labels. It's a bit confusing because it's called a report, but each individual stamp has its own label. And I was asked, can you individually change the label sizes? No, you cannot do that presently. Anyways, so what I did was I clicked on Edit Labels, and I'm going to choose the Stamp Album Page label. Click Open. Now here it's showing all the fields that were going to appear on each individual stamp album stamp that shows up in the Stamp Album Page report. And let's say, for example, I want to change color to Place Issued. Let me just go through that again. You're going to double click on color, and you're going to double click. Right now it's showing stamp.color. You're going to double click on that, and now you're going to replace it with the field you want to show. Now if you know it already, you can just type it in. For example, we've got auto completion here, so it's usually pretty easy. Just type in stamp period, and then you can choose which field you want. Now let's say I want to change it to issue location. I'm just going to select that, click OK. Got it correct here. OK again, and save. Now be careful, because if you mess, this is the label that's used for the Stamp Album Page report, so it may be a good idea to do a backup of the Stamp Album Page label before you make changes if you're not confident about the changes. But anyway, so I'm going to exit here. Do I want to save it? Yes. And now when I run this report, let me zoom in. You see here for each stamp where it has a non-empty issue location, for example, Milford, New Hampshire, it's going to show it in the previous in the field that was previously set to I believe it was color. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, as always.